Hey everyone, welcome to Homebody. I am Felicia, your host for this post. So let me just give you the detailed overview of this space. Summer master bathroom tour, starting with the tub. My tub is actually from Home Depot. The acrylic tray that I have sitting on my tub is actually from Wayfair. I haven't seen it in a while, but if it's available, I will link it. And look how cute this is. This is so adorable. This is from Amazon. It's like a soap tray. It has little holes at the bottom down there to drain water. Yes, I do still use bar soap from time to time, but I also use the liquid soap as well. And my faucet area over there is actually from Wayfair. The wall art here, let me see if I can make it lighter. My wall art is actually from Amazon. The sconces on the side of my wall art is actually from Z Gallery. The wall art over here is from Wayfair. The little glass trays up there is actually from Lowe's. I've had those for like several years, maybe 10 years up there. So if they're available, I will link them. The vase at the top is from Home Goods. The one at the bottom is from either Ross or Burlington. So that's all I have going on in my tub area. I do have a towel warmer over there. That's actually from Amazon. And my rugs that I have here is from Walmart. And there's another rug over there also from Walmart. My stand, this stand is from Amazon. This vase is actually from Target. This little tub that I have my towels in from Amazon. Now it does come like as a gift set. It has like some lotion and stuff like that in there. And I'm just recycling the actual tub, which who wouldn't use that tub for decor in your bathroom? This little gadget here is actually a coin bank. You put your coins here and you take them out from the bottom. It's actually like a metallic navy blue, but I'm using it as black in this space. It's actually from Z Gallery. Then I have another vase at the bottom. It has the same little design in that one at the bottom as it has in the one at the top. And that's actually from Target as well. Then I have a little hook right here. This hook is actually for my shower cap, because I have locks in my head and I always put my shower cap on. I keep it here easily accessible, but I took it down for the video. But yeah, as soon as the video is over, I'll be putting it back up there. And I don't have anything going on in my shower area except for these little hooks. We use these hooks up here for our dry towels. And I had my towels up here, but I took them down for the video. And I'll be putting those right back up as well. So over here at the sink area, the pampas grass is from Amazon. And this vase here is from Home Goods. All my towels are from Walmart. This is from Amazon. And this also from Amazon. This is a toothbrush holder, guys. And I love it because it hides your toothbrush and your toothpaste. It makes your sink look cute versus having, the toothbrushes sitting out or whatnot. This is an automatic soap dispenser. Look. Awesome. And all you do is I have that Bath and Body Works soap in there. Then I have these towels sitting here. Like my husband has a towel to dry his hands. And I have a towel to dry my hands. And then I have this little mirror here. This is from Wayfair, that my husband can use like when he's shaving or whatever. It does. Oh, it's on. I'm going to say it needs to be recharged. It has a light on there. And then you can flip it over and you have a magnify. It's more magnified or whatever. And it charges via USB. And yeah, that's awesome. I'll have that link if it's available. So over here, I just have a little stand right there. I really don't need it, but I wanted it there. And those little circle wall arts, those are from Ross? I think those are from Ross, guys. It's Burlington. It's either Ross or Burlington. And my light fixture up there, that's from Wayfair. And the wall art back here, the wall art is actually from Ross. You can still get your hand. It comes with 2 in a set. And then I think that's Burlington again. And these are from Amazon. This acrylic thing on top of my toilet is from Amazon. And I also have an acrylic toilet paper thing here also from Amazon. And some little bitty wall plaques that's also from Amazon as well. And the mirror that I have on my wall over here, that's from Home Goods. And that little accent chair there, I think that is actually from Home Goods as well. I've had that several years. Lighting is off on this gray wall. But anyway, this wall plaque right here, this wall plaque is from Ross. And these towels are from Walmart, guys. And that pretty much sums up this space. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.